G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And what I've got here is super exciting. This impact driver, or rattle gun, as I like to call it, which we've just brought in for Cyber Weeks, is fantastic. So let's have a look at the gun. All right, so it's a nice lightweight gun. It has up to 570 Newton meters of release torque, or the power to undo a bolt. Forward and reverse gears, and also 4 torque settings at the back here, so you can adjust how tight you want the bolt to be when you tighten them up. But what's good about it, it comes in this fantastic case. So if you're a bit messy like me and you leave your tools all over the place, it's fantastic to have a case where you can come and put them back into at the end of the day. But what do you get with the impact driver? All right, you get this funny looking guy here. This is an oiler. It screws in the bottom and it comes with some oil, and you put the oil in, and what that does is it lubricates the tool as you use it, all right, which is fantastic because it lubricates all the veins in the motor inside it. It gives it actually more power and makes it last longer. So that screws into the bottom, and then your air fitting goes into that. So it gets oiled every time you use it. It also comes in the kit here with some impact sockets. So we've got 10 mil all the way up to 27 mil. So they're kept in the case as well, so your impact sockets are always there. And it also comes with an extension bar as well, so you can get into places. So this kit is available this week on special for Cyber Weeks. So if you want to get your hands on one, it's online only. So you'll have to go and check out the Wurth app or eShop. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page. And this impact driver, it's ready for work.